And there it is, Redmi original tiny speaker. Let's unbox it. Bah. Ta-da. Oh. Manual. Is that it? Is that it? Wow. Wow. Check this out. We have Redmi logo. We have power button, Bluetooth, USB Type-C, rubber on the back, plus, that's not sure what it is, play and pause, and minus. Feels very nice in the hand. And you have that little strap for your finger, I guess. Pinky finger? Maybe. It's tiny. And there it is, Redmi speaker 3238.
Aftermath. Unite. Damn, baby, all I need is a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Get it cracking in the club when you hear the shit. Drop it like it's hot, get to work in that back. You work that thing, let me see it go up and down. Rotate that thing, I wanna touch that thing when you make it go round and round. Step with the club, I'm like, who you is? See me in the house, yeah, that's my clique. Yeah, I'm young, but a nigga from the old school. On the dance floor, a nigga doing old moves.
Something about you is different. Some kind of energy's messing with all the chemicals in my brain. Feel the temperature rising, and I'll give you a paradise. Forever you'll never live in my veins. Heart is racing here now, never wanna wait out. I want you into the end. You know what I'm feeling, even if it doesn't make sense. You don't have to catch love. You're a minor.
And now you know this speaker has so much power that it dances by itself. Link in the description. See you next video. Bye.